Hello YouTube, this is Sandeep. Today I will discuss one more new topic, that is when and how to separate a keiki or baby plant from mother kin. First of all, let's talk a little bit about keiki. In Hawaiian word, keiki means baby or little one. They are produced asexually by their mother plant. You can find it among dendrobiums, epidendrums, phalaenopsis. My request is don't remove it too early. Let them grow. It's a waiting game. Keep watching till the end. New in my channel, so please subscribe and press the bell icon to get latest updates. And you can see there are some keikis or babies attached to mother kin. Look the strong and healthy roots. This is very important and one of the main criteria to remove a baby plant from mother kin. When you are going to separate any baby plant, you should keep in mind that there may be at least 3 to 4 roots with 2 to 3 inch in length and has 2 to 3 leaves at least. And here I am lucky enough that I am getting an old keiki with a new growth. This is the perfect condition to separate a keiki. It's another one you can separate this also because all the conditions are going to match. New growths, 3 to 4 roots with 2 to 3 inch in length, 2 to 3 leaves. Look at this keiki. Yeah, healthy roots. And look at this keiki, about 1 feet or above in length, but it's immature for separating because its length is enough but roots are not matured. Just starting to grow the roots, we need at least 2 to 3 inch in length and also need 3 to 4 roots. Mismatching, so we should stay it as it is. It's time to separate. I am going to divide this baby. I repeat again those criteria, that is at least 3 to 4 roots with 2 to 3 inch in length, 2 or 3 leaves, and if you got an old keiki attached with new baby, that is extra for you. And one more thing, you should separate in monsoon season when humidity level is high in the air. Plant will adapt quickly. And what tools are needed? Sanitized cutter or scissor, and need any contact based fungicide for the cutting ends to prevent from any fungal or bacterial infections. Gently twist from the base like this. Roots should not be damaged. Remove it so gently like this. And now it is removed from the mother kin. You can see the keiki is quite healthy with many healthy roots. I am separating another keiki from mother plant with sanitized scissor. It's another one. This one also a healthy baby. We should use any contact based fungicide for the both cutting ends, keiki as well as the cutting end of mother kin. This is the cutting end of mother kin. I am using fungicide to prevent any fungal or bacterial infections. So these are the healthy babies just separate from the mother kin you can see. I had mounted this plant just 6 months back. Very nice growing on wooden log. You can see all the roots are attaching nicely, and I used this rope to stable the plant, and now I am removing the rope. Roots are attached well on the wooden piece, so we can remove the rope. So that's all for today. If you have any queries regarding this video, you can ask me in comment box. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.